room, like echoes dancing in the dark. I keep searching for a reason to mend this broken heart. Maybe someday I'll find the light beyond these lonely skies. But tonight I'm only asking the question in my mind: if I